So everybody, 19th of August, hit this movie. Un-Indian is hitting the theaters and you all have to go there and watch it. Yes, everybody make some noise. Thank you, yes. And now I would like to ask you, ma'am, how was your experience? You're looking gorgeous, first of all.
Thank you.
And now tell us something about this film, please.
Well, as Brett said, it's a cross-cultural love story set in Sydney. And it's a very contemporary film. It's very today's. It's our stories. It's the young generation, the young India. Like my character is someone who's living in Sydney but is brought up in India. So, you know, a lot of people here would relate to that kind of story where the previous generation thinks that a girl should always get married to a doctor or an engineer, but she falls in love with none other than
A Farangi.
Will.
That's amazing, that's amazing.
Well,
So
it's irresistible, right? You agree? Yay!
all the girls will agree to this. Yes, that's true. And so this is a lovely story, and we're keenly waiting to watch the story. And now we go to our director, sir. Yes, sir. Now, please share your views about this film and some experience, some stories about this film, please.
Look, we had a ball making this film in Australia. It is one of its kind film between India and Australia. Who will surprise you, just like Brett, when he walks on the speed on the pitch and he bowls so fast, he's gonna bowl everyone over. So all of you who have one moment or the other fallen in love, this is a film for you. So go and watch Un-Indian on 19th of August. It's a film with a lot of heart and a little bit of spice. And I'm sure you will like all your favorite stars. We have got Supriya Pathak, we've got Gulshan Grover, Akash Khurana, and of course, Brett Lee and Tanishta.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing all the details about the film. So this was all about the film. And now it's time for the fans to come forward and play a ball with Sir himself. So, sir, we have selected 5 fans from all of the people. And they will
Panch.
just, yes, Panch. Exactly, Panch. All right, so they are here and it's like their dream. They have dreamt of playing cricket with you and now their dream is coming true. They are more than excited, more than enthusiastic. So I'm going to call them. So I would call first Mr. Sandeep.
I think what we should do first, if that's okay with everybody,
Yeah.
we might get everyone just to sort of go behind here. And what we do is we'll do a selfie. And,
Yes! Woo!
and we'll put it on Twitter, and then we'll get every one of you guys and girls out there to retweet it. Hashtag Un-Indian.
Yes, everybody, show some love for we are clicking the selfie near. Yeah, everybody. Come on, make some noise. Thank you, all right. So everybody can see yourself on Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. Hashtag Un-Indian. And now, I'm going to call the fans. So Mr. Sandeep, Mr. Omkar, and Usha, Munira, everybody, please come forward. And there was one more, Mr. Rohit. Mr. Rohit, please come. And sir, I would like to tell you, before you came, there was a gentleman, this Mr. Rohit. He sang a song for you. And they all have shared different facts, which none of us knew. This lady has told us that you love butter chicken. You love butter chicken, right?
I do love butter chicken.
Yes, and
I,
there's one more.
Toda spice.
Thoda spice. And there's one more female. She knows everything about you, and she is your fan since last 7 years. Can I
There you
please
go.
call you, lovely lady? Chinmay. All right. So they all are your fans, and they all are here. Chinmay. She. All right, Chinmay, so it's your luck. So let's start playing a ball, everybody, please. Chinmay, you can be just there. And we start playing one ball. And everybody, yes. Yeah, we will just the bat. A ball. Sir. Okay. Sir, you have to ball. All right. And fans, who's coming first? All right. All right, everybody. So yes, as we have told you. Woo! Ball! Just one ball. 3. Okay, 3. Oh my God! I hope it didn't hurt you guys. Done, done, done. Only two, only two. So then next, some more people are coming. Whoa! All right, the next. Yeah, please. Make it a liquid. Only one ball, right? All right, only one ball, one fan. All of you, everywhere. I can't hear you all. Can you make some noise? All right. Yes, so one more ball, one more. Woo! It's done, it's done. Who's the next one? Next one. Next one, please. Come on, come on. 3 balls per person. Great, great. Loved your generosity, sir. Thank you. Okay. 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 Yeah, one ball. Woo! Everybody is busy clicking the pictures. All right, the second ball. He's the one, he wants to. All right, everybody, now you would see Brett Lee batting all the way. Woo! Somebody catch it! Woo! Wow, that was the moment. Come on, one more. Everybody catch, catch, catch! That ball is for that fan, that little kid. Okay. Give us back, thank you. Woo! Thank you so much. All right, everybody, we want to call YMC people. Please come, all of you. And tell us how was the experience?
Wonderful. Look, thank you so much for everyone that came down today. All the boys and girls and the adults. I really appreciate it. We've had a lot of fun in Wollongong, flying home tonight, but I'll be back shortly. So please enjoy the movie. Tell all your friends. Everyone told 100 people each. Thank you very much.
So everybody, each person has to share the word to 100 people. We request YMC people to come forward, please.
It's an Australian film with a lot of spice. It's a romantic comedy set in Australia. How an Australian boy tries to fall in love with a beautiful Cinderella. So,
how is the experience working with an Indian girl?
well, Tanisha Chatterjee is an excellent actor. She's a global actor, done a lot of work, and you know, to work with her is an absolute treat. Very, very professional at her job, and has done a wonderful job here.
What was the one thought was come in your mind while you making this movie?
I think just opportunity, telling a story about Australian culture too, which is very important. But just you know, a bit of fun. I've always been fascinated by film, and I thought it'd be awesome. It'd be an incredible opportunity to get out there and being a film. So we're very proud that It launched on the 19th of
One
August.
appeal where you want to say to your fan who watch the movie.
Yeah, well, we just hope that everyone comes down and watches on the 19th of
When it's
August.
gonna be released?
It's called Un-India, 19th of August. So enjoy the movie, have a smile on your face, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy what we've done.
And what your character?
Well, I play Meera in the film, and she's a very contemporary, today's Indian woman living in Sydney and working there, and falls in love with this dashing, handsome, charming, witty, all the epithets that I can throw on, played by Brett Lee, Will, and it's a very contemporary love story.
I know आपने बहुत कोशिश की होगी हिंदी सिखाने की मूवी के
इनको बहुत अच्छी हिंदी आती है, आपने देखा नहीं अभी कितने
yeah, right.
मतलब इन्होंने कहा 5 तो इनको समझ में आ गया कि 5 है, तो इनको आती है हिंदी, बहुत अच्छी आती है। ये हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं अनुपम
सर
शर्मा।
आपने ऐसा क्या सोचा कि आप ब्रेटली के साथ मूवी बनाने का बहुत थॉट?
मैं ब्रेटली को आप लोग एज ए क्रिकेटर के तौर पे जानते हैं, मैं इन्हें हमेशा एज ए परफॉर्मर के तौर पे जानता हूँ। इनके साथ टीवी कमर्शियल्स किए हैं, इनके गाने सुने हैं, तो मुझे इनके अंदर एक तड़पता हुआ आर्टिस्ट दिखा जो बड़ा भूखा था कुछ अच्छी एक्टिंग, कुछ अच्छी अदाकारी के लिए, और उससे बढ़िया कोई बात हो नहीं सकती। उसके बाद जब इनको स्क्रिप्ट पसंद आ गई तो फिर यही हमारी फ़र्स्ट चॉइस थे। जिस तरह तनिष्ठा हमारी फ़र्स्ट चॉइस थी, क्योंकि हमें इस फिल्मों को फेस्टिवल्स में ले जाना था, और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर तनिष्ठा भारत की शायद सबसे लोकप्रिय एक्ट्रेस है, तो इसी तरह मुझे मेरे दोनों लीड मिल गए।
डायरेक्शन में जो प्रॉब्लम हुई ब्रेटली के साथ काम करने में?
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मेरी सिर्फ एक प्रॉब्लम थी डायरेक्टिंग करते हुए। जब इंडिया से सब लोग आए, सुप्रिया पाठक, आकाश खुराना, गुलशन ग्रोवर, तनिष्ठा, तो सब मेरे पास आके बोले, अरे बाप रे ब्रेटली एक्टिंग कर रहा है, हम तो उसके बहुत अच्छे फ़ैन हैं। उधर ब्रेटली मेरे पास आके बोलता था, इतने बड़े बड़े एक्टर्स आ गए, मैं इनके सामने कैसे एक्टिंग करूँगा। तो उसके बीच में ज़रा सा पिसा, उसके अलावा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
थैंक यू गाइस।
Thank you very much. Have a great night. Please follow your